Hai Ahsan, Assalamualaikum.
Wow.
Dude, you didn't. Mm. Why didn't you edit your work last session.
I forgot.
Hmm. Second, let me check this. Now let's edit it together. Unfortunately, today you're the only one in the classroom because Bintang is not feeling well and Alvin has an extra, probably for the 17th of August. I don't know. So it means that the class is only for 1 hour. Okay, let's go. Ready? Let's do this. Mm. Where's my 1 second? Where did you put your? Is your writing? Okay, check this one out. He has trouble. Asan is blah blah blah. Okay. By the way, Asan, when it's the beginning of a paragraph, please indent your paragraph. So just click tab and it will indent automatically. Tab on your keyboard, there's a tab. There, indent. Okay. And then the second paragraph too, indent the second paragraph. Got it. The third paragraph, please indent. There you go. Now let's check this one by one. Dude, your father is still alive. Don't use was. My his father was is. Oh, one more thing. We don't say Batak Nis. It's actually just Batak. Nis is only for Acehese, Javanese, but Batak is already the people's name, so Batak it is. Asan is the two, the second. I've been wondering though. Yes, Asan, you missed the is. Asan, I'm going to teach you how to do this easily. Okay? Do you check what I put here? You just have to click this one. Click it. Of course, I need you to read what's been changed before you actually click it so you learn. So try it. This one, for example, second, click it. Click this one, the tick. Can you see the tick, Ahsan? No, 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 not there. This. In the comment, hang on. Share your screen, Ahsan. You need to learn how to use Google Docs more efficiently. Okay, now you see this one in the corner. Sorry. It's my, this. There you go. Click the tick. There, you are accepting it. By the way, there's an extra space here you need to delete. Okay, what's another suggestion? Scroll up. Okay, which one is that? Click it first here so you know which one I edited. There, this one. And then, now that you know which one that needs to be edited, click the tick button. There you go. Oh, don't click my name. Click the box. Click the box. Okay, there. It was supposed to be you wrote his. His with apostrophe and S. The deal is when you write an article, sorry, an academic article, kalau ini bentuknya akademis buat dikumpulkan sekolah atau apa segala macam, you don't make it into abbreviation, no, contractions. Kata-katanya nggak disingkat-singkat. So not his, but he is. Okay? You need to write them down word per word. You can click it. Okay. Now this is the deal. You already said Ahsan is so genius, and then this one is Ahsan is so genius. So I'm confused. Ahsan is so genius, even though he has good score. This is you in Indonesian. Ahsan sangat genius, walaupun dia punya skor yang bagus. So which one do you want to make? Ahsan sangat jenius sehingga dia punya skor yang bagus, or Ahsan is not a genius. Ahsan bukan seorang jenius, tapi skornya bagus. You need to choose which one. This one or this one.
Ahsan is a genius.
So, not well, even though then. So, he has good score. You need to change it. And you can delete the so here because you are using another so after that. Biar nggak ada pengulangan, so you don't have repetition. Ahsan is a genius. Ahsan is a. You can see there's a blue underline. Now, you can solve this. Next one. Done. Times, comma, there, done. Oh, I forgot. Uh, hang on. Your father is Sambiring? No. What's his family name again?
Al-Kautsar.
Pardon?
Al-Kautsar.
No, family name. Family name. My family name is Siregar. Your father's family name is?
Um, I Purba, I think.
Purba, yeah, Purba. I wonder why you never wear Purba, by the way. So, it's not in your birth certificate? No.
No.
Oh, I see. Because my in my birth certificate, the family name is there. Okay, now let's take a look at what we are learning today, Asan. Today we're learning about this one actually, exactly this. So, uh, on a second, let me share my screen now. See, if you take a look at what we're learning, you also know from the flip material. Today we're going to talk about ethnic groups in Indonesia. Jack Jack, Miala is Malay. How about Diaka?
Daya.
Daya. And then Amsa,
Asmat.
Asmat. Oh, this is easy.
Javanese.
And
Mm,
Anse cheese. It's the most top province in it's the most western province in Indonesia.
Acehnis.
Aceh News. There you go. And then this one,
Bugis.
Bugis. Got it. This one,
Mm,
it's in the south, no, west Sumatra,
Minangkabau.
Minangkabau. Got it. This one, Sakatatao. Just kidding.
No. This is what?
Uh-huh, that's it. You already said it.
What is Sasakal? Nakas. Huh?
Oh, wait.
Uh, um, this is, I don't know.
Okay. It's actually Sasak.
Let's see.
Asan, please search on your Google. Where does the Sasak come from?
Lombok.
There you go. So they are from Nusa Tenggara. Ah, man, come on. It's so hard. West Nusa Tenggara. Okay. West Nusa Tenggara. And then this one,
Betawi.
Tawi. And the last one, yours.
Batak.
That's why we don't say Bataknis because it's already the person, the people, Batak. Okay, it's different with Javanese because there's an island about it. That's why they use Javanese. Okay, now if you take a look at the pictures, Asan, picture number one, what do you think is the ethnic group?
Asmat.
Number two?
Nomor two. Dayak.
No way.
Malay. Malay.
Malay, no way.
Japanese.
Japanese. She is using a konde and kabaya. No. Okay. How about number three?
Dayak.
Dayak. This is Dayak. Okay. So there you go. Now, the deal is when we talk about these people, this is the hardest part. Some ethnic groups need extra S and some don't. So when you say the Javanese, it's already a lot of people. But when you say the Dayak, you have to add S, the Dayaks. Otherwise, it's easier to say something like this: the Javanese people, the Dayak people, the Asmat people. Okay? The same with the Bugis people, the Minangkabau people. Now let's check the which one that you need to find pictures, by the way. Oh, we have the pictures here. Okay, Asan, please describe me about the Dayak people.
Right.
You can check the picture and then describe their appearance. So, Asan, go ahead. The Dayak people,
Mm.
like their eyes, their skin, their hair.
The
Wait,
Dayaks has small eyes, thin lips, and fair skin.
oh, I wouldn't call fair skin. They're not fair, by the way. I would say brown skin or tan skin. Lebih kecoklatan. So fair skin is lebih putih. By the way, are their eyes slanted? Take a look at this.
Mm.
The Uma Uma. Do you think their eyes are slanted or not? If you're,
Yes.
what is slanted?
Mm.
You can check Google. What is slanted?
Miring.
Miring. Or as for eyes, we say sipit. So the Dayaks have slanted eyes, small slanted eyes. There we go. How about this? Can you see their skin?
Tattoos.
So you can say that they have
They have tattoos.
tattoos. Even the female also have tattoos. How about their lips? Oh, done. They have thin lips. Yeah. This one, Asan, this part. They live. Where do they live?
The the Dayaks live in Borneo Island.
Dayaks live in or
On.
on the Borneo Island, Indonesia and Malaysia. Now, how about this one? I'm not going to choose one of these. The Bugis. There you go. You need to find information about the Bugis. Did you find any information about the Bugis?
Very.
So, what do they look like?
Mm.
What do they look like, Asa?
Um,
Sorry? Your voice is not clear. They have
they they have black hair and planted eyes and full lips.
full lips. How about their skin?
They has a brown skin.
Brown skin. There you go. Okay, where do they live? Or where do they reside? Let's use reside.
Inside
They reside
South Sulawesi.
the sentence.
They reside on they reside in South Sulawesi.
There you go. This is the deal. When you only say the island's name, they reside on Sulawesi, on the Sulawesi Island. But if you say the province name, they reside in South Sulawesi. Okay, so that's the difference between saying on and in. The next one is I'm going to ask you to. Oh no 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 yeah. I'm going to ask you to find about uh Minangkabau people. There's a difference between their skin and their Denge. Hey, did you find any information about Minangkabau people also?
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Let's go. What take you so long?
They has
Hmm?
fair skinned.
They has or they have?
They have fair skin and slanted eyes, and they live in Sumatra, in West Sumatra.
They live in West Sumatra. There you go. I'm going to ask you to read this one, Unity in Diversity. Go ahead.
Indonesia is a diverse nation with more than 1,300 ethnic groups inhabiting the nation from the western to the eastern island. According to anthropologists, these ethnic groups are a mix of Malay, Austronesian anthropologists. These ethnic groups are a mix of the Malay,
You're not focusing. The Malay, Austronesian peoples, Mongoloid,
Austronesian peoples, Mongoloid, and Melanesian races. Following are the ethnic groups in Indonesia that have the characteristic of the race mentioned before.
okay, we have this one. How do you say this?
Islands.
There you go. Don't skip the S. The same with this.
Anthropologists.
Ah, anthropologists. And then we have peoples. Miss, you said that if it's people, it's already more than one. Why is this peoples with S? This is the deal. In English, when something is already plural and you add S, it means that it's a different kind of people. So, for example, when we talk about Austronesian, it's a combination of Austro and nation, right? So we have people from Fiji, for example, Austronesian. There you go. We have people from New Guinea, and then people from Polynesia, Madagascar. And we say peoples because they are different ethnic groups. Kalau cuma satu dari satu ethnic group, banyak orang, we say people. The Polynesian people. Tapi kalau ethnic groupnya banyak, we say the Austronesian peoples. Okay, that's the difference. And then this one, Asan.
Characteristics.
There you go. The same with this. In this part, you say races, but then in this, you say race. Remember to read the S clearly, okay? Races. Okay, let's go with the first. First are
First are the Javanese. The Javanese, which are the largest ethnic group in Indonesia, live on the central and eastern parts of the island of Java. The Javanese people work in many fields, such as in the agriculture and government. As part of the Malay race, they have black hair, big eyes, and full lips. Being of medium height and tan skin are also part of their features.
nice. Okay. Next,
Next are the Dayak. This ethnic group, which is a mix of the Malay and Mongoloid races, lives on the Borneo Island, both in Indonesia and Malaysia. The Dayak people work in many job fields in the urban areas of Borneo. They are characterized by having slanted eyes, thin lips, and a fair skin. Most of them are of medium height.
I have to disagree with this. The Dayaks don't have a fair skin. But anyway, the last,
The last ethnic group is the Asmat. The Asmat people reside in the South Papua province. They are a mix of the Malay and Melanesian races. They make a living mostly as a wood carvers. This ethnic group is known for having black, curly hair and dark skin. They are small but athletically built.
built. Okay, this one you still had difficulties. Wood carvers.
Wood carvers.
What does it mean anyway?
Um,
Go Google. What does it mean by wood carvers?
Pemahat kayu.
Mahat kayu. There you go. Asan, this mini project should be quick for you. You only have 10 minutes anyway. Okay. Please add to your writing, Ahsan, earlier. Okay, this one. About your ethnicity. So, name of your ethnic group, location, just like this. The Japanese, or sorry, you can choose anyway. Your mom is a Japanese, your dad is a Batak, so up to you. But if you choose Japanese, you cannot write it like this. It must be different. If you choose the Batak, then the Batak is an ethnic group which is blah 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 blah. So only this much. Okay, please add under your uh, writing. There you go. I'm going to put this here. Make it a new paragraph. So you start with the name of the ethnicity that you want to talk about. The blah blah blah. You can find on Google what races are the Batak. 'Cause I think if you open there you go, son. The Wikipedia is so complete. Austronesian. 'Son, you just spent 3 minutes. Let's go. Which is no way. How do you write witches? Here, you do have your book, right? Oh, which are? Why witches? Which are the Batak, comma, which are the ethnic group in Indonesia. Mm. The deal is you cannot use which and then end the sentence. Take a look at this, the example. There. The Batak, which are the or an ethnic group in Indonesia, comma, the Batak, comma, live, blah 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 blah. Hang on. Why are you using is? The batak are. Ahsan, you are not focusing. Astagfirullah. Take a look at the example, Ahsan. The Javanese, comma, which are the largest ethnic group in Indonesia, comma, live on the central and eastern parts of the island of Java. So just do it like that. The Batak, comma, which are an ethnic group in Indonesia, comma, live where? Why is it the Batak, the Batak? Dude, no way. The Batak don't live in West Sumatra. Google Asan. I thought that this would be easy, like 5 minutes and then done. There you go. By the correct writing of Sumatra, according to KBBI, Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, is actually Sumatra, like this. Bentuk bakunya nggak pakai A. So not Sumatra, it's Sumatra. What's next then? There you go. What do they work on? Work. Religion, work, language, profession. Here, you have profession on Wikipedia. There you go. Batak people work as there hunter, farmer. What else? Son, remember you talk about people, so not a farmer, but farmers without a. You can delete the a, Asan. Work as farmers, right? What else? Their appearance. Again, you are using eyes, so there should be no a. They have slanted eyes. This is the deal, Hassan. You already use have. Remember, when you use have, do you use fair skinned or fair skin? With ed or no ed? No ed. So there you go. There. Don't miss the N. They have slanted eyes, fair skin, and black hair. The last one is their height and build. Are they slim, heavy, tall, short, medium? And Being of small height. And I don't have curly hair. My father doesn't have didn't have curly hair. Does your father have curly hair? What's the opposite of curly hair? How do you spell straight? Okay, there you go. Being of small height and fair skin. Yo, this is not a sentence. Being of small height and fair skinned here. Being of small height and fair skinned are also part of their features. Period. You need to use and here, not comma, because there are only two things. Being of small height and fair skin. There you go. Yo, you took like 15 minutes to write this. Oh my God, Asan. It's only so short. Okay. And that's it. Remember, the next session, you're going to have your midterm test. Asan, do you have any questions before I end the session?
No.
Hmm. You need to type faster, like I'm watching you typing and I go like, why is it so slow? Like one. Okay, you need to learn how to type faster. Okay, Asan, if you don't have any questions, I'm going to end the session. Thank you for joining me for this session. I hope Bintang will get well soon, and I hope Alvin will be what off his extra after the Independence Day. Okay, bye bye, Asan. Assalamualaikum.